Yes guys, how are you doing? Hope you guys are doing well. So basically I decided to do the things free of charge to help some of you. Being the first video, I'm just going to guide you guys on how to basically trade the currency market, and we are going to be using trend lines. I'm going to be showing you how to clearly draw trend lines on a correct format. So maybe let's just go direct to our 1 hour time frame. We are not going to analyze anything here, but just how to draw trend lines correctly, because I know this is what some of you still need to know actually. So before you draw trend lines, the key point is you're going to draw clear trend lines. You exactly draw from the wicks, because this is where there is a lot of manipulation. You find some of you just doing this and you call that a good trend line. No, that's not a good trend line. So the correct format is exactly drawing them from the tips up to a tip, from a wick to a wick. That is a very good correct trend line, because in case of any manipulation you cannot be got up. Secondly, you cannot draw a trend line on the other trend line. The key thing is you need to draw you connect 2 or 3 picks to the other. Like this is a pick 1, this is pick 1, this is our pick 1. As you can see, we have connected to pick 2. It has formed a trend line. It has formed a zone. Yeah, if it was to buy, you would have entered your buy here, but unfortunately when the market reached here, it exactly broke this trend line and it sold. After selling, it did what? It retested exactly here. So in the case of an execution of a trade, you wouldn't just enter a trade. You would first measure how many pips, because this would have been a bearish trend. This is your selling zone. You would have sold from here. To me personally, I use my stop loss depending on the currency I'm trading. So our stop loss would be maybe 35 pips or 40 pips there. What is our take profit? Our take profit could purposely be a 1:2 or 1:3 ratio, or maybe more than that. So guys, this is how you draw your trend line. As you've seen, let's see somewhere else again. We have said you connect peak to a peak. As you can see, this is also a very good trend line. As you can see, peak to peak, this is peak 1, this is peak 1, 2, 3. When the market reached the next trend line, it did respect it very clearly, not the way some of you just draw it like this. No. That one you'll get stopped out through manipulation several times, guys.